When you're in sales, you have to be ready for everything. You're running an obstacle course while dressed in formals. Watch this video and access the paired PPT presentation to master the creation of a strategy for your sales efforts. We give you the strategy process, through 6 broad categories from past history to finally the sales action plan. Download this PPT set to take your sales record to its peak. As an added incentive, get up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. This PowerPoint presentation allows you to create a plan based on reality and fact. The past history segments slides for performance dashboard, sales by region, and more. With this PPT deck, allow your team to access not only their own performance, but that of the market as well, with slides for a thorough market opportunity analysis. With the field understood, we move on to understanding the internal and external business environment. The presentation provides the best resource for identification of the competition, competitor revenue and profit, and more. It is important to know what you're up against. And now you will. Time to lay down the plan for the sales team and explain the growth strategy in a sequential, step-by-step manner. Enhance sales performance with a solid strategy. SlideTeam's exclusive Sales Strategy Plan, PPT resource is just a click away. Download it from the link below. You can't reach your goals if you don't know them with the utmost clarity. With the target in mind, now you are ready to take the steps you need to always reach the finish line, with a handy checklist by your side. Lastly, we showcase this business process roadmap in 5 stages that helps you devise the key earnings from this extraordinary resource on sales strategy plan. Visit SlideTeam to find many more such PPT decks.